UK USCAAUNZ Asia Protection Business. These are the best 25 property loss insurance agency in the US by Mark Rosanes, the 20th of September 2021. Share these are the best 25 property loss insurance agency in the US. The country's best 25 property loss insurance agency guarantee close to 66% of the complete market and composed more than $725 billion in premium in 2020, up from $708 billion of every 2019. As indicated by the most recent information from the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, NAIC. State Farm Group is buy-in by the biggest property loss insurance agency in the U.S., addressing 9.12% of the market and composing $66.1 billion in direct charges, almost $20 billion, a bigger number than its closest rival, Berkshire Hathaway, $46.1 billion, the name behind GEICO. Freedom Mutual, Allstate, and Progressive moved their piece of the pie, contrasted with 2020, with Progressive driving the triplet with a portion of 5.75%. Further down the best 10 rankings, Chubb held the 8th spot, with its immediate charges composed expanding from $23.3 billion out of 2019 to $24 billion last year. USAA Insurance Group, in the interim, got 7th spot, supporting its immediate expenses composed from $23.4 billion of every 2019 to $24.6 billion out of 2019. The 25 greatest property loss insurance gatherings by direct installments composed and portion of the overall industry are 1. State Farm direct premiums written, $66.1 billion, portion of the overall industry, 9.12%. 2. Berkshire Hathaway direct premiums written, $46.1 billion, portion of the overall industry, 6.37%. 3. Moderate Group direct premiums written, $41.7 billion, portion of the overall industry, 5.75%. 4. Freedom Mutual direct premiums written, $36.1 billion, portion of the overall industry, 4.99%. 5. Allstate direct premiums written, $34.3 billion, piece of the pie, 4.73%. 6. Explorers Group direct written premiums, $28.7 billion, piece of the pie, 3.97%. 7. USAA direct written premiums, $24.6 billion, piece of the pie, 3.39%. 8. Chubb direct written premiums, $24 billion, piece of the pie, 3.32%. 9. Ranchers Insurance direct written premiums, $20 billion, piece of the pie, 2.77%. 10. From one side of the country to the other direct written premiums, $18.5 billion, piece of the pie, 2.55%. 11. Zurich direct written premiums, $13.6 billion, piece of the pie, 1.88%. 12. AIG direct written premiums, $13.4 billion, piece of the pie, 1.85%. 13. The Hartford direct written premiums, $12.4 billion, piece of the pie, 1.71%. 14. CNA direct written premiums, $11.7 billion, piece of the pie, 1.62%. 15. American Family Insurance direct written premiums, $11.3 billion, piece of the pie, 1.56%. 16. Auto Owners Group direct written premiums, $9.3 billion, piece of the pie, 1.28%. 17. Assurant direct written premiums, $8.3 billion, piece of the pie, 1.14%. 18. Tokyo Marine direct written premiums, $7.7 billion, piece of the pie, 1.06%. 19. Erie Insurance direct written premiums, $7.6 billion, piece of the pie, 1.05%. 20. Fairfax Financial direct written premiums, $7.6 billion, piece of the pie, 1.05%. 21. AXA direct written premiums, $7 billion, piece of the pie, 0.97%. 22. W.R. Berkley direct written premiums, $6.8 billion, piece of the pie, 0.94%. 23. American Financial Group, Great American Insurance Group direct written premiums, $6.7 billion, piece of the pie, 0.92%. 24. Markel Corporation direct written premiums, $6 billion, piece of the pie, 0.83%. 25. Cincinnati Financial Direct written premiums, $5.5 billion piece of the pie, 0.77%.